lovely Minjions, Minjions 여러분 안녕하세요. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to learn how to pronounce 10 brand names in Korean correctly. But before we get started, I would like to thank the sponsor of today's video. It is Talkie. Yay! Thank you so much for sponsoring this video. Well, Talkie is an online language learning platform. They have this huge database of all teachers that you can imagine for almost every single language under the sun. And of course, there are a lot of Korean teachers whose native language is Korean. So that means you can learn the real language, right? You can learn how native Koreans really speak. And you can also even learn how to pronounce brand names in Korean. Maybe you can ask to the teachers. And also, it is very cheap and reasonable because the teachers set their own prices. And also, there is an application of italki, so you can learn it anywhere, anytime, any day of the week. So it is very convenient. And also, only for you guys who are watching this video right now, italki, they given me a buy one get one free offer. So if you buy one lesson, you can get another one free. So it sounds like a free lesson, right? All you have to do is to click on the link in the description box, sign up for italki, and they will give you $10 extra of italki credit to spend on your next lesson. If you're interested in, please check it out. Well, then let's get started with the lesson. Number 1, McDonald's. In Korean language, it is McDonald's. 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 So for example, you can say 우리 맥도날드 가서 빅맥 먹자. 우리 맥도날드 가서 빅맥 먹자. And number 2, Pizza Hut. It is Pizza Hut. Pizza Hut. Because pizza is a pizza. Pizza Hut. Pizza Hut. Pizza Hut. And next, we've got this one. Amazon. In Korean language, it is Amazon. 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 And the next, Subway, is Subway. 4 syllables. Subway. So for example, you can say Subway sandwich. Subway sandwich. And next, Baskin Robbins is Baskin Robbins. Baskin Robbins. Baskin Robbins. Baskin Robbins. But young Koreans often use this as a shortened form like 베라. 베라. So for example, you can say 우리 오늘 베라 갈래? 우리 오늘 베라 갈래? So again, 베스킨 라빈스 or 베라. 베라. Next one, Disney is 디즈니. 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 So you can say 디즈니 영화, 디즈니 영화, or 디즈니랜드. 디즈니랜드. And from now on, we are going to look at 3 French brand names. Number 1, Saint Laurent. This one in Korean is Saint Laurent. Saint Laurent or Yves Saint Laurent. Yves Saint Laurent. Yves Saint Laurent. So for example, Yves Saint Laurent 가방 and Yves Saint Laurent lipstick. If you search Yves Saint Laurent on Instagram as a hashtag, you can find a lot of posts in Korean language. Yves Saint Laurent. Next one, Chanel, is Chanel. 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 And what about this? Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton. In Korean, it is Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton. And the last one, Adidas. In Korean language, it is also Adidas. 4 syllables. Adidas. 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 So for example, Adidas 운동화. Adidas 운동화. Or Adidas 바지. Adidas 바지. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please click the like button. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. And also, I've got my Facebook, I've got my Instagram, I've got my Twitter. So you can connect with me on all of my social media. Then I'll see you soon for another lesson. 그러면 다음 시간에 만나요. 안녕. Bye.